In this video, I'm going to name the slope and the point from the point-slope formula. So just as a reminder, y minus y1 is equal to our slope m, and then x minus x1. Our m is our slope, and the x1 comma y1 is our point. So the point would be an x value of 1 because it is a subtract, and then your x1 is the value. So we need the subtract sign to know what the actual value is. So that's 1. And then this is going to be an 8 because it's minus y1. So I know that minus is part of this equation here. So the 8 is the value. That's our point, and then our m is the number 3. Now for this one here, notice how our signs are opposite. And it's kind of helpful to look at that in the equation. So this sign was a minus and our x1 was a positive. This sign was a minus and our y1 was a positive. So our signs of our point is opposite of the signs in the equation. So -6 and a -3 is going to be the point value, and our slope is going to be -2/5, the number in front of your set of parentheses. Here, you'll notice that there is nothing being subtracted here. There's no number. So the y value of our point is going to be 0. And then again, like I said, our signs are opposite for our point as they are in our equation. And so this is going to be a -8 for the x value here. And our slope is a 2/5 fraction. Now this one over here, our point, again, opposite of what you see in the function, would be a +6 for our x, a -1 for the y, and our slope is -4. We have 4 more. Maybe you want to pause the video and see if you can get your point and your slope correct from the equation, and then you can go ahead and hit play and then double check. But our point here is going to be opposite, so -4, opposite +4 for our point, and our slope is -3/7. And then again, our point opposite signs for the point as you see in the equation, so +3 comma -1, and then our slope is 3/4. Now this one might be, these last two might be the hardest ones, and I have this helpful phrase, hoi vux, to help us out. This equation, y = 9, is a horizontal line. It has 0 slope, and the equation is y =. And on a graph, that graph, I'll just say I'm counting by 3s, 3, 6, 9. Our graph would be a horizontal line up at 9. So there are a lot of points on that line. So really, you can name any point you want as long as the y value has a 9 in it. But you could put any number you want here. I'm just going to put 0. Now this equation is very similar, except this is a vertical line that has undefined slope, and I know that because the equation is x is equal to a number. And so this graph would look like this. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3 in the negative direction, so a vertical line over here at -3. Again, very similar to this. I can name any point I want as long as the x value stays -3. And so I'll just pick any point. Maybe I'll pick the point -3, 1.